Today I'll be taking you through some parts of Excel. Yeah, I've done that with my mobile phone and now I want to deal with the system. Now under the part of Excel, we have our blank worksheet, our personal monthly budget, billing statement, blood pressure tracker, and so on and so forth. So why is the template always available? Templates are always available because instead of you creating again, you can just choose any template that you want to use and make use of it to be more easier for you than going back, going front. So that's why they imputed those templates there. Now we are going with what? Blank workbook. So as I've said before, Excel is one of the important tools. Very, very important, because you working in an organization, you need an Excel to do what? To be able to what? To impute data of the organization. If you don't know how to do that, man, I don't think you will last in that job. Now the Excel has opened. The Excel remind me of one of the conditions I faced one good time that I went for an assessment. A bank called me. One of the banks here in Nigeria called me. They called me, and I was thinking that since it's a banking stuff, they had to, maybe they will give me a name, maybe they'll give me a simultaneous equation, algebra, and so on and so forth. I was expecting mathematics. I was really expecting mathematics. But getting there, all they could say, because I got there late, so I saw some people struggling with the question. I was like, so when I got there, they gave me an A4 paper. Giving me that A4 paper, they said I should what? I should input that into the Excel. Excel that I normally used to play every day. All I just did was, I went, this is my home, we have insert, layout, formula, and so on and so forth. Either you use your Excel and or you use your what? Your MS Word when you want to draw table. Are you there? So I just went here. What I did, I'll see what? You see what here? Draw border. Are you there? Draw border. Then, though you can do it with all borders, you can like this. Then after that, what did I do? Oh yeah, this is what I did. Very easy. Everything I've what? Have come out. What did I need to do now? Now they give us an item. I've forgotten, but they give us an item. I have to input the item here. Then I will write down. They even give us the prices. All their own is that impute it the way it was on that A4. So it was fun to me because I didn't even take enough time. All I did is that after that, I'm done. The supervisor that was like one of the supervisor that is taking for the employment, the HR, was looking at me. Am I done? He said I'm done. I submitted with the system there. Unfortunately, after some days, they called me for interview and I got a job. You see, and throughout the job, I'm still using MS Excel because you use MS Excel to impute the bank data. It's a must. So you don't know, not knowing it, that's a big blow to you. Okay, might say you're not working in the bank, you are not doing this, but are you gonna, some people are paying billions and millions of money to learn that. Looking at my back now, you will see my computer. Yeah, you see my computer. This is my office. During days, I normally have students that I teach. They will pay, I'll give them handout. After that, I will do what? I will lecture them. Just the way I'm lecturing through online. Yeah, in RG concept, do offline and online classes. So all these things are easier. Yeah, I would say it's easier to me, but I don't know to you. Now, I want to also teach you other things again. If, for example, you are writing something that you want to highlight the color, you don't want the color to be there, or you want this color to highlight that one in a differential manner, what are you going to do? Highlight the column. Just go to color here, fill in with the color of your choice. Now, look at it, has been filled with color of your choice. All you need to do is just write your name the way you wanted it. So you can fill in many of the color you needed in that aspect, and you can also do what? You can also write on it. You can also change your font. You can also underline. You can also put it on italic. You can copy. You can cut. You can centralize. You can use your MS Excel to do different stuff. So that's it. You can type on it. You can just make the upside different color. The other one, you can make it. You can just leave it white. Then one other thing I needed to show you again is what? Is how to what? Delete the rows and border, the rows and column in MS Word, in MS Excel. Sorry. Just go back to here again. Go back to all borders. You will see what? Erase border. You click on erase border. Then you see a cleaner. So like cleaner will come out. What are you going to do there? You just go here. You right click. 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 And you right click. Now let's Ctrl Z to go back. You right click. Then you've seen that there are many things you can perform with what? With Excel. So many things you can perform with Excel. You can just use your this thing, what are you calling it? Your mouse. You can use your mouse, then you right click and come here and change the total color of it. You see how knowledge is. Knowledge is always something that is what? That is cheap to get. But some people pay in a huge amount to get that. But at the end, some people that are taking it in a playful manner doesn't take it serious. Now, it will take me time to do a video on this. After that, I have to go and edit it. Do you know how it takes to edit a video? After editing, I have to what? I have to compress. After compressing, I have to look for a way for me to what? To use my data for me to input into my what? Into my YouTube channel. So I think doing any video is easier. It's not easy. You edit. You edit. So if you want to learn how to edit video, that one is on its own. Bye for now. All you need to do is pause this video, go straight to what? Your YouTube, type RG Concept, and subscribe to our channels. Yeah, our channel is an educative one, very educative one, where you can learn about the new technology that is coming out, the AI that is coming out now, the things that are making work more easier. So when you subscribe, then you click on the notification button for you to be notified anytime I upload any video there. So go there, subscribe to my channel, which is what? RG Concept. So we move on. After that, you can insert your pictures if you want. You can do anything you want to do with Excel. I don't want to go into it because we have an handout that I will show you how you can get it at the end of the class. Now, our last video will be on PowerPoint. Get yourself prepared because people are making money from PowerPoint. All this thing I'm teaching is an office tool. If you don't know how to make use of it in the office, believe me, you are going. You are going. So I'm teaching you this and I'm giving you a free way for you to understand it. Now, let me teach you one of the last part there, which will also be found in my handout. Now, how to calculate. For example, am I right? 20,000. Am I right? 50, 500,000. Am I right? 50,000. Now, how do I get the sum of the total here? All I needed to do is to come here, my equal sign, then B what? What will be for? B4 shift plus B5 shift plus B 6. Now remove everything from there, just come outside the box and click. We have what? This is what you have, 570,000. Automatically you are getting your answer. You don't need to calculate your brain. That's why I said you need the handout. So guys, if you know you are feeling this video, if you know you are feeling this, my strength, the knowledge I have upstairs here, comment after this video, like after this video. Yes, comment and like after this video. Comment and like after this video, and at the end of the class I will show you how you can get our handout. So see you in our next